That you're not on sea, you're on land only. That is their, I think, first prerogative to make you feel at home.
In a hot.
Air though, like every time we travel, and train of course, but it's little time consuming, that's it. Nice evening, and I what really feel as an actor is when you connect sailing with being an artist, is that even an artist sails through the crisis and the good and bad times in life. And sailing is also, in some way talking about handling crisis and dealing with the, waves, the ocean, because the ocean is not always good. It has a lot to say about our own life. So it has a very, surrealistic connectivity.
My first question to you is how do you feel to come?
I'm sorry, say it again. It feels really great. I've never been part of something like this, Sailor Award, and I feel that I'm really honored to be part of this because it's something like to do with our country, and I'm really privileged. I've actually traveled like not so much by the ocean, but just like few cruises that I've taken back in US just for vacations, like couple days cruises. So yeah, it was fun, but it's pretty scary, and I feel very great for these people that they actually are in this kind of profession, that they're in the ocean pretty much for like half of their lifetime, My life has actually changed a lot after Mickey Virus, and I am doing a lot of movies right now, and you'll be seeing me shortly in a movie called Samrat & Company with Rajat Khandelwal, produced by Rajshri Productions, Kavita Bajratia, and directed by Kashif Kotak. And another movie that you'll be I think I do have a lot of friends who belong to this genre, this industry, that is sailors industry. और बहुत difficult होता है उनका काम, और I really salute them for being there for us. एंड सेकेंडली मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया शो स्टॉप करके हमारे साजिश सिद्धू जी का, एंड आई रियली थिंक ही डिज़ाइंड अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस टू मी एंड लॉट्स ऑफ लव एंड लव टू हिम.
It's been a tough journey, and every year all we are trying to promote is the profession, telling youngsters that this is one profession they should look at, which is very lucrative, good money, and hard work, and at the same time very adventurous. So look at this and join.
We just thought about the merchant navy colors combination. We should change colors. We should change the thought of costumes and dresses. So we just try to make a new costumes and new innovates. So that's my just try to make a new costume for the people. They should try new innovates.
कहना चाहूँगी कि जिस रीज़न से ये शो हुआ है, प्लीज़ रिस्पेक्ट दैट रीज़न. एंड येस, वी डू वांट अ लॉट ऑफ young youth of our country to join this industry, join this profession. So please do that. That's my request. And I love you all.